Hello? No, this is Digital Dork. Ugh. Well, hello, my friends, and welcome back. A filthy mind might be fun sometimes, but we do not like a filthy house. But who likes to clean? Not me. Cleaning is quite honestly one of my least favorite things to do. But thankfully, there are some amazing little gadgets that can help make the job a little less painful. So let's get into it. Oh, we love a good robot vacuum. And our beloved wandering sucker-upper has come a long way since it was first released 20 years ago. There are a couple different models on the market, but if you want to go super elite, I recommend either the self-emptying Roomba S9 Plus or the iRobot Roomba J7, which can be controlled with voice commands. But honestly, no matter which model you go with, these little guys are useful. You just turn them on and let them do their thing. And bonus, if you got a cute cat who likes to go for a ride. Getting a good quality purifier will mean a lot less dusting. While no purifier can completely remove household dust, a high quality one will capture a lot of the large dust particles in the air that would normally turn into the pesky stuff you'd wipe away with a duster or a damp cloth. So overall, you'll probably end up dusting a lot less. Koei and Levoit are both great brands to look at for high quality products. Will robots take over the world one day, baby? I think they already have, and I'll be honest, I'm okay with it. At least if it keeps my windows clear. Window cleaning is one of the most annoying and frankly dangerous tasks involved in keeping your house clean. So why not turn into a robotic cleaner? It works similarly to the Roomba, and Hobot and Wexby are a few of my faves. There is only one name on this list because it's the only one of its kind. Other toilet bowl cleaner systems hook into the bowl section of your toilet. The Flush and Sparkle clips into the tank of your toilet, which means you're getting a sparkling clean bowl with every flush. Cleaning a toilet can be disgusting, so why not make it into something you never have to do again? Most mops are gross and just move a lot of dirt around, but cleaning floors by hand can take hours. That's why I love using an electronic mop. It cuts down on time and my floors look awesome. It's worthwhile doing your own research as there's a lot of different options to choose from that offer different features, such as steam mops or mops that are completely robotic, and even mops that are designed for specific types of flooring. A few faves are VMAI and Shark. You're welcome for making your life so much easier. Don't forget to follow me as a thank you at onlyfans.com/digitaldork. Let's get synced.